Good morning, good afternoon, guys, and we are here. We're about to start our online class, and I hope that you'll enjoy this vlog. Okay, guys, soon in 1 minute, mag-start na ta. But before that, guys, please do subscribe and comment and share this video, guys. Hello, good afternoon, everybody.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Yes.
I'm fine, thank you.
All right.
And you?
I'm doing good. Yes. I'm very excited to see everyone. In a few minutes, we are going to mute all of you so that I could continue with our class today. All right? Yes. So maybe some of you don't have the printed worksheets for today, but that's all right. You have Saturday and Sunday to do your homework today. Okay. Oh yes, Taishu has a printed worksheet, so that's good. Okay, so let's start. There are already 35 students in my classroom today. Should we start now? There's supposed to be 50 students or more. Okay, so I have all right, guys. All right, so maybe I need to wait for a minute. We'll just wait 1 more minute for your friends to come because there are only 36 in my classroom today. Maybe some of them are absent or maybe some of them are late. Okay, maybe alright, so maybe now I should start because it's been 2 minutes and I need to start now. Okay, guys, the thing that we need to learn today is about writing numbers in expanded form. Okay, when we say expanded form, what is expanded form? Okay, let's have a review of our lesson from Monday. Okay, let's review the lesson from Monday. Who can remember the lesson from Monday? All right. If you remember the lesson last Monday, then you should know this one. The lesson last Monday was about the place value, and the digit of the value. Okay, the place, for example, in this number here, we have 538,091. Now, if you can see the red number in here, the underlined red number, the place of that number is 1,000. So what is the place? The name of the placement of each digits or number. So 8 is in the 1,000 place. And then what is the place value? What is the place value? The value of where the number is placed. So what is the place value of this one? This one is 1. Oh my, I made a mistake in there, guys. There should be only 30, not 40, okay? Okay? So teacher made a mistake. Wait. Go. This one should be erased. Okay. There should be only 30, not 40. So the value of where the number is placed is 1,000, 1,000. And then the value of the digit is the amount of the number in the digit. So it is it is 8. So that means it is 8,000. That would be 8,000. Teacher is confused now. Okay, so is that clear, guys? Is that clear about our previous lesson? Now let's move on and let's talk about an expanded form. What is an expanded form? What is an expanded form? I want someone to read. I want someone to read the screen right now, and I want to call on Bonus. Hi, bonus 4/2/12, bonus slash 4/12. Hello, Bonus. Good afternoon. Wait, cannot unmute. Teacher cannot unmute Bonus. Okay, Bonus is there. Hi, Bonus. Good afternoon.
Hi, teacher.
Yes, Bonus, can you read what's on the screen right now?
In the expanded form, we break up a number according to their place value and expand it.
Yes.
Expand it to show the value of each digit. For example, the example from of 943 is given.
Okay, thank you so much, Bonus. And now, guys, Bonus have read it, and now let's show the 943. Now if you look at the number by reading it from the left going to the right, that is 940, 4 tens and 3 ones. 900s, 4 tens and 3 ones. So read it. How many? 9 blocks of hundreds. If you're going to count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, there are 9 blocks of hundreds. And then when we go to the tens, what number is in the tens? It is 4, right? So that means there are 4 blocks of tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when we go to the ones, there are 3 blocks of ones. Okay, so expanded form is this. Expanded form of 900 plus 40 plus 3. This is the expanded form. It is 900 plus 40 plus 3. That is equal to 943. Okay. Okay. So guys, now let's move on. Each number has a place value, and it determines the value of that digit according to its position in the number. The value of a digit in a number increases as we move from left to right. The digits on the left have lower place value than the digits on the right. Okay, so example here. So as it increases here, look, from here to going up here, the digit increases. Okay, so from here it's units, and then tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. I remember during our first week of lesson, we learned the place of the numbers, right? Okay, so you should remember all of these places. No, you should not forget, because this is very important. So the value of the digit as it goes to the it is increasing, guys. Okay, now it says here to write the number 7,286 in expanded form. We follow the given steps. Okay, the step one, use the place value diagram to express the numbers. Okay, remember the number 7,286. Okay, so look at this. We write 6, 8, 2, and 7. So guys, 7 is in the thousand place, and 2 is in the hundreds place, and 8 is in the tens place, and then 6 is in the ones place. So it is the expanded form of 7,286 is 7,000 plus 200 plus 80 plus 6. Is that clear? If you have any question right now, raise your hand so that I could answer it before we move on to the next lesson. Do you have a question? No? No question, everyone? Okay. So I guess that is clear and you all understand. I assume that you understand how to do the expanded form. All right, so what is the expanded form of 458,981? Who wants to answer this? What is the expanded form of this number? Who wants to answer? Who wants to answer? Tamada. Okay. Tamada, your name is Tamada la. Okay, I need to look up because there's so many. Okay. Hello, good afternoon. Hello, who's this? Tamada? Your name is? What is your name? Tom?
Yes, this name is Tom.
All right, Tom. Can you please tell me the answer of the what is the expanded form of this number over here on the screen?
400,000.
Okay, 400,000 plus what is it?
100,000.
50. Okay, and then what's next?
Plus 8,000.
All right, plus 8,000 plus
900.
900. Okay, plus 80 and plus 1. Okay, is Tom correct? Yes, he is correct. Thank you so much. You did a very good job. Okay. So that is the answer, guys. And he did it and it's correct. Okay, let's move on and I will give another number over here and let's ask someone to answer it for us. Okay, who wants to answer? Taisho. Okay, Taisho, good afternoon. Yes, first of all, I would like you to read the number.
It's.
Yes.
I think that's trillion.
It's million.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Start with 300.
384 million.
That's correct. And then 800.
800.
Yes.
813,000
Yes.
and 91.
That's
91.
that is correct. Okay, so is that clear? And if you have any more question, it is now time for question, guys. Do you have question? No? No question at all? No, Bonus said no question. Okay. So you guys understand how to do the expanded form, right? Yes? Yeah, hey, okay. Now, now you can start your work right now. You can start your work. Who's easy? Yes, Elle said it is very, very easy. And Mia said, yep, I understand. And Kun said 1 plus 1. Yes, it is just like a 1 plus 1. It's super easy. And you have to do 2 pages today. And that's because I think expanded form is so easy that you can do even 3 pages. Maybe next time I will give you 3 pages. Is that allowed? 3 pages. Okay, we have 1 minute left. And guys, if you don't have any more question, Elle said what page? Page 22 and page 23, Elle. Page 22 and page 23. All right. Okay, Mia, 1 plus 1 is 3. All right, she's joking, guys. Okay, so no more question and goodbye, everyone.
Bye.
You can
Bye.
leave.
Ready. Bye bye.
Bye bye. You can leave
See you
now.
next time.